There are journeys that don't start with a destination, but with a feeling of calm, of being considered. And sometimes the places that surprise us the most are the ones that give us everything. Madrid doesn't just surround you, it embraces you. Not only through landscapes or stories, but in every gesture, every taste, every open path, every moment moves freely. Where accessibility feels like belonging. Like knowing this moment was made with just us in mind. Without needing to explain why we're here. It's in moments like these that we realize we can be part of the best lifestyle. Not just how we move, but in how we feel while being here. Here, everything aligns so we can simply be. Be part of something timeless, where every stone has a story. And even the ancient walls seem to whisper, you are welcome here. Nothing unforgettable needs to be rushed. This is the Madrid you did not expect. Accessible, authentic, and fully alive.